Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I've got something really exciting to share with you. We're going to be talking about the 90W 19V 4.74A 5.5 by 2.5mm AC laptop power adapter charger ADP-90YD for ASUS A52F A53E A53SA. 53U A55A A55 VDD 550 CAD 550 MD 550 MAV. Now, I know a lot of you have been struggling to find a product that actually delivers on its promises. You spend your hard-earned money, you wait for it to arrive, and then it turns out to be nothing like what was advertised. Sound familiar? Well, that's exactly why I want to introduce you to this 90W 19V 4.74A 5.5 by 2.5mm AC laptop power adapter charger ADP-90YD for ASUS A52F A53EA, 53SA 53UA 55A A55 VDD 550 CAD 550 MD 550 MAV. This product is designed to solve that exact problem. It's built with premium quality materials, it works exactly as described, and it's made to last. And here's the best part, right now, there's a special discount available. You can get it for just US $20.48, which is an incredible deal compared to similar products out there. The reviews speak for themselves, thousands of buyers have given it top ratings, and it's already been shipped to customers in over 50 countries around the world. People are loving it everywhere, from the United States to Europe, Asia, and beyond. So if you're interested, click the link in the description below to grab yours now before this deal expires. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.